Welcome to my Advanced Database Management System course. In this section, we discuss about concurrency control techniques, locking, two-phase locking, 2PL, timestamp ordering, optimistic concurrency control. Let's enjoy. Concurrency control techniques are methods used in database systems to manage concurrent access to shared resources, such as database tables and records, while maintaining data consistency and integrity. Here are some common concurrency control techniques. Locking. Locking is a fundamental technique used to control concurrent access to database resources. Transactions acquire locks on database objects, examples, tables, rows, to prevent other transactions from accessing or modifying them concurrently. Locks can be of different types, including shared locks, read locks, and exclusive locks, write locks. Locking ensures serializability by enforcing a strict order of access to shared resources. Two-phase locking, 2PL. Two-phase locking is a concurrency control protocol that ensures serializability by dividing a transaction's execution into two phases, an expanding phase and a shrinking phase. During the expanding phase, a transaction can acquire locks on database objects, but cannot release any locks. During the shrinking phase, a transaction can release locks, but cannot acquire any new locks. Two-phase locking prevents deadlock and ensures that transactions are serializable. Timestamp ordering. Timestamp ordering is a concurrency control technique based on timestamps assigned to transactions. Each transaction is assigned a unique timestamp indicating its start time. Transactions are ordered based on their timestamps, and conflicts between transactions are resolved according to their order. Transactions with earlier timestamps are given priority over transactions with later timestamps. Timestamp ordering ensures serializability and avoids deadlock. Optimistic concurrency control, OCC. Optimistic concurrency control is a concurrency control technique based on the assumption that conflicts between transactions are rare. In OCC, transactions proceed without acquiring locks on database objects. Instead, they perform read and write operations on database objects and check for conflicts at the end of the transaction. If conflicts are detected, the transaction is rolled back and restarted. OCC is suitable for environments with low contention and high read concurrency. Multi-version concurrency control, MVCC. Multi-version concurrency control is a concurrency control technique that allows multiple versions of a data item to coexist in the database. Each transaction sees a consistent snapshot of the database at the time it starts, regardless of concurrent modifications by other transactions. MVCC uses timestamps or version numbers to track the visibility of data versions and ensures isolation between transactions. MVCC is commonly US. Deadlock detection and prevention. Deadlock detection and prevention mechanisms identify and resolve deadlock situations where transactions are waiting indefinitely for resources held by other transactions. Techniques such as deadlock detection algorithms, timeout mechanisms, and deadlock prevention policies, e.g., ordering locks, are used to prevent or resolve deadlocks efficiently. Serializable snapshot isolation, SSI. Serializable snapshot isolation is a concurrency control technique that combines snapshot isolation with serializability guarantees. SSI ensures that transactions execute with snapshot isolation semantics while preserving serializability. SSI uses techniques such as transaction dependency tracking and validation to detect conflicts between transactions and ensure serializability. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.